Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit pie chart in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have added pie chart to my document and I'm going to show you how we can customize the chart. If we want to customize our chart or edit our chart, we need to tap on that and then we can click on these three dots and select open source. Okay, and it will bring us to the Google Sheets. And if we want to change the data, we can change it right here. I'm just going to change it like this. And you can edit the data according to your needs. Right. And then I'm going to change the value as well. Alright, and here you can customize the chart style. You can click on this three dots and then you can click on edit chart. Oops, sorry guys. You can select edit chart and you can go to the customize and you can select the chart style like this. I'm going to change the border color to black. Okay, and then you can go to the pie chart and I'm going to select black like this. And if you want to change the legend, just go to the legend. Okay, you'll be able to change the axis titles as well. Okay. And after you customize the chart, you can go back to your Google Docs and then don't forget to update the chart. You can click on this option to update the chart like this guys, and as you can see, the pie chart has been changed. And okay guys, that's all the way to customize pie chart in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.